It's a 2011 Ram 1500. The ability to use tools separate humans from other animals. This Ram 1500 is a powerful one and will separate you from other humans. It comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, external memory control, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, running boards, heavy duty shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and V8 engine. Of the Ram 1500, Car and Driver proclaims Dodge changes the state of the art and the rules in the full-size pickup game. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
We offer superior vehicles. Come and see for yourself. We are easy to find on 5520 South Shaver, 1/2 mile east of the Gulf Freeway, exit 34.